Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Child. Today I am going to show you an arithmetic activity and we are going to do division. We are going to do two problems, one without any change and the second problem with change. To know more about what is change game, what is decimal system, what is change game in decimal system, if you want to know more about carry over, borrow, I have already uploaded few videos in my playlist arithmetic, so please check there. And the material description is very simple. For using the same material I have used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and now for division. So if you have this material, you can show your child all the basic 4 operations so that they can visualize and learn. Okay, it's very simple actually. You should just cut a long strip of chart and make stamps like this, of this size, like 2 centimeter. Okay, and I have written 1, just number 1, and it's written in green color, and you need 45 such stamps. Why I am calling stamps? It's a stamp size card, that's why. So the next one is number 10, written in blue color, and you need 45 such stamps. And then 100 written in red color, and you need 45 such stamps. And 1000 written in green color, and you need 15. Okay, very simple. Just cut a long strip of chart and cut off the for each stamp. You can make it like 2 centimeter or even 3 centimeter. 2 centimeter is ideal. And I have these skittles. These skittles represents people, okay, because in this division is all about dividing equally or sharing equally. So these skittles represent people, and actually I got this from a different board game, Snake and Ladder. So whenever I buy a Snake and Ladder or some board game with some counters like this, I will always save it so that I can make use of it in a different way. In Montessori material, if you search for stamp game, you can see green skittle represent just one person and blue skittle represents 10 people. Okay, just one blue skittle represent 10 people, and then red skittle represent 100 people. Okay, and then there will be a huge green skittle. Again it represents 1000 people, but right now I don't have. Okay, so everything has an inner meaning. Green skittle represents, because see this one we have written in green color, so 1 represents one person, and blue, just one blue skittle represents 10 people, and 100 in red, and this represents 100 people. Okay, red color represents 100 people. There should be one more huge green skittle. Okay, the same green, little bigger in size. Okay, that represents 1000. Okay, so there you can see lot of color coding. We will do the first problem. Okay, so you can ask the child to take this quantity 3693. Okay, so the child will take 3600s. Okay, so I have taken 3600. So whenever the child is taking, make sure to check that, otherwise we will get a wrong answer. 3609 tens. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We check once again. Okay, perfect. And 3 units or 3 ones. So this is the quantity. Now you can always ask like to how many people we have to divide this. So 3 people. Okay, so we are going to take 3 skittles. See, not necessary that it should be like this. You can take even some shell or some small toys. You can have like that. Just it represents one person. Okay. Little gap, leave some gap in between. Now you can ask the child, shall we start distributing this equally? So we have to divide this quantity 3693 among 3 people. Right? And always remember that we have to give equally. Okay? If I give 1 here, similarly to others. Okay? Like that. Okay, shall we start distributing thousands, hundreds, tens or ones? You can always ask the child. Okay, so now let's start distributing thousands. So I gave 1000 to this person, so 1 person to green and 1 person to pink. Now even here, what you will do when you are doing in an abstract way, you will see how many times you can make this. So 1 time 3, so each one got 1. Now let's start distributing the hundreds. So we bring down the next 6 here. So we are bringing the digit in the hundreds place. Now we are distributing the hundreds. So 1 to black, 1 to green, 100 to pink. So I am left with some more. So I can share again. 100 to black, 100 to green and 100 to pink. So here also if you see, 2 times 3 is 6. So next we will bring down 9. So now we are distributing the quantity, the digits in the tens place. So we are going to distribute. So sharing equally. Suppose if we are not able to distribute equally, we should keep it with us. We should not distribute. This is intern a value education, right? Suppose if we are sharing something, distributing, always distribute it equally. Okay, so here also if you see, 3 times 3 is 9 and we are left with 3. So here see 3 hundreds, I'm sorry, 3 tens. So see, each one got 3 tens. Now we are left with the digit in the units place 3. So now we have 3. Okay, so I am left with nothing. Now I have distributed equally, I have shared equally. So now this 3693 is a quotient. We divided among 3 people. So 3 is the divisor. And now here if you see, 1 time 3 is 3. So remainder is here also 0. I am also left with nothing. And if you see, what each person got is called the quotient. So each person got the same. So how much each one got? 1000, 200s, 3 tens is 31. So here also 1000. So 1000. Tick. 200s. Tick. How many tens? 3 tens. Tick. And 1. So each person got 1231, which we call it as a remainder. I am left with nothing. The banker has nothing who distributed. So the remainder is 0. Okay. This is one example where we did not do any change. If you want to show the remainder, what you can do? You can take it as 3694, the next number, so that we will be left with 1 in our hand. You can show it as the remainder. So put it back always in the respective compartment. So I am showing side by side so that there will be a better understanding for you. When you are showing it to your child also, it's up to you. Okay, next let's do this one. 8928. We have to share this quantity among 4 people. Remember that we always have to share it or give it equally. Okay, so let's have 4 people here. The skittles represents just a person. Okay, so ask the child to take 8,000. So I have taken 8,000. 900s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So whenever the child is taking, make sure to check it twice. Otherwise, we'll get a wrong answer. And 8 units. Okay, now I have taken this quantity 8,928. Okay, let's start distributing the thousands first. As we are having concrete material, we can start with any hierarchy, but to show you side by side the abstract way and doing with the concrete materials, I am doing starting with thousands. So I am left with few more thousands, so again I am dividing. Okay, so I have distributed thousands equally, each one got 2. So let's see it here. So 2 times 4 is 8. So now next bring down 9. Okay, so 900s, right? So 100, 200, so I have some more left. So again I have started distributing equally. And if you see, if I share here, I am giving to pink, and also I am giving to the gray one, and then to the black green one. So I am left with 100, right? So which I can't divide equally, but I can convert this. 100 has how many tens? 10 tens. Okay, if I do the change, then I can share this equally. So here also what we do, 2 times 4 is 8, and we are left with 1. Okay, so then we bring down 2. So here it shows 12. So now we have already 2 tens. This 100 has how many tens? 10 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have done the change. So this 100 we can't divide equally. So what we are doing, we are changing this 100 to 10 tens. So here also if you see, 2 times 4 is 8. So we got 1. So which is the 100. So we are giving this to, we are bringing 2 down. So it's becoming 12. Okay, so which means 12 tens. So we are doing the change. 100 has 10 tens. So now put this back inside the bank. Now I have how many tens? 10 tens. Okay, let's start dividing equally. Even you can involve your family members and you can do this. So I am left with no tens right now. Okay, now I am left with only units. So how many units? 8 units. So I have started distributing this equally. So here also if you see 3 times 4 is 12 and bring down 8, 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so if you see it is 2, 2, 3, 2. So see 2000. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 3 tens. 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens and 2 units. Okay, see in an abstract way also 2, 2, 3, 2. So 2000. 2 thousands. And how many hundreds? 2 hundreds and 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 2 units. 2 units. So what each person got is called the quotient. So what each person has got? 2232. That is called the quotient. Suppose if there is going to be one more unit, okay, then suppose for example if you would have taken 8929, then we would have left with number 1, with stamp number 1. Okay, so that is called remainder. Okay, so this 8928 is the dividend. We have divided among 4 people, so that is called dividend. What each person has got? 2232. So we got that. That is called the quotient. What each person got is called the quotient. We are left with nothing. We have completely shared equally, so we are left with nothing. So remainder is 0. Okay, so and you can always ask the child to write or you can write. I hope this video is useful for you. Please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.